Hezbollah pager explosions, hundreds injured in shocking incident across Lebanon. Recent explosions from Hezbollah pagers have left at least 8 people dead and 2,700 injured. The blasts occurred in several suburbs of Beirut, causing chaos and panic among the residents. Injuries reported include severe damage to victims' faces, hands, and stomachs, highlighting the blast's impact. Tragically, an 8-year-old girl was among those killed in this devastating incident. Authorities are investigating the direct cause, with explosions happening simultaneously across locations. Stay informed with the latest news updates by subscribing to our channel.